Bonjour, and welcome to my kitchen in France. My name is Sarala, and I am a plant-based recipe developer and cookbook author who followed my dreams and moved to the south of France. I'm passionate about sharing French culture, which is so charming, and vegan cooking, which is better for our health and better for the environment. That's why I wrote one of the first vegan French cookbooks, and I can't wait to show you how to create beautiful and classic French dishes with a vegan twist. In this first section of Mastering the Art of Vegan French Cooking, you are going to learn 3 classic French dishes: quiche, crepes, and tarts. All 3 of these dishes are not vegan at all. They rely heavily on butter, eggs, and cream, meat, and cheese. But we are going to learn how we can reimagine these dishes with plant-based ingredients while still preserving the beauty and the tradition of the original dishes. I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks for substituting in vegan cooking so that you have beautiful and delicious results. You're going to learn pastry skills that will help you make dishes that are worthy of a patisserie in France. You will be able to impress your family, friends, and your customers with your skills in French and vegan cooking, because believe me, these are 2 concepts that most people don't think can go together, and when you're able to put them together, people are automatically interested and impressed. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this exciting new adventure into vegan and French cuisine with me. Be sure to check the resources that I have included in each lesson. There are PDFs where you can view the recipe and prepare your ingredients and cook along with me, and also read a little more background on each dish. I've paced these classes with the idea that you could cook along with me, but feel free to pause, fast forward, rewind, go at your own pace, and don't hesitate to reach out to me with a message if you have questions. I would love to hear from you. And I'd love to read your reviews and feedback on the class, letting me know what you think. Let's get started.